How to find trending sounds on Snapchat. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find trending sounds on Snapchat. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for Snapchat. Look for updates that may be available for Snapchat. Now go back to your home page and open Snapchat application. In Snapchat, you will land to this recording page. On Snapchat, make sure you are logged in to your account. To find new and trending sounds, click on this sound icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on music icon, you can search for sounds. On this menu at the top, there are three sections. Those are featured, my favorites, and trending. Click on trending to see all the trending sounds. You can scroll through these sounds to see what you like. You can click on this play button to listen to the sound, and if you want to select it, then click on the music. There are also short videos on the trending sound that you can scroll through. Click on the video and all the short videos will appear. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.